How to change age on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your age on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing your age, which means your date of birth on Twitter, is very simple. All you have to do is launch the Twitter application here, then tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen, then go to the option called profile. From here, profile option, just go to this option that says edit profile and then tap on it. Once you tap on edit profile over here, under it you'll find one of the options that says date of birth. So all you have to do is tap on date of birth, and to change basically your age, all you have to do is tap on the edit button. You just have to change it to an age that will make you how much ever years that you are trying to change to. Then after that, your date of birth will get successfully changed. This way you can change your age on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.